sports fans. This is Joey DeMartino, aka Joey D, aka America's Greatest Sports Fan, aka Godfather of Sports. On Sunday, July 27th, 2025, I stayed at the Hilton Garden Inn in Sandston, Virginia, while on a sports trip. The hotel is located at 441 International Center Drive, Sandston, Virginia 23150, at the intersection of International Center Drive and Audubon Drive. Location's about a quarter mile off of Interstate 64, and nearby restaurants include the Patron, Domino's Pizza, Hardee's, and Backwoodz Barbecue Restaurant. Parking lot appeared well lit and safe. Check-in was very good. I used my electronic key and went straight to my room. The room was clean and accommodating. Breakfast was good. Fitness center was good, and the business center was not working. I would still recommend this hotel when you're in the Sandston, Virginia, or flying in and out of Richmond Airport, but double check to see if the business center is working, if that's what is needed. So thank you, sports fans. Have a blessed day. Please keep our first responders and military in your thoughts and prayers.